Merry Christmas! We hope you enjoy this video.
Happy baking! Cream together your butter and sugar until light and fluffy.
For this, you can either use an electric hand whisk or spatula.
Stir in the flour until clumps of dough begin to form.
At the same time as your flour, add 1 teaspoon of salt.
Now is the fun part. Get your hands in the bowl and rub the chunks of dough together to create fine breadcrumbs.
Don't forget to wash your hands. Tip the breadcrumbs onto the unit and bring together until it forms one smooth dough.
But try not to over-knead. Roll out the dough until it's half a centimetre thick.
Keep turning the dough in a circular motion to get a round shape. Now is the time where you can cut any festive shapes out of your dough. For example, we've done Christmas trees here, but you can do anything like gingerbread man, Christmas trees, baubles, anything you want, and place these on your lined baking tray.
Make sure you use any scraps from your dough to not waste anything. Place your cookies into your oven preheated at 170 degrees Celsius and put them in for around 11 minutes until they are slightly golden. It is best to start at 11 minutes and work your way up.
You can decorate your shortbreads however you like. We chose to use melted chocolate and smarties.
Enjoy and have a Merry Christmas!